and it is incredibly busy in the tropics tonight. We have several named storms. We'll start with Sally first because it's having an impact on our weather. Sally is now in the Gulf of Mexico, still a tropical storm, but we're getting the clouds in the outer edges of this, some rain squalls still working through. We have one pulling into Belgrade down here. The latest coordinates, winds at 60, expect to be a Category 1 hurricane at landfall. That would be overnight, and then working its way all the way up through the northern, well, up through the Carolinas eventually, and weakening pretty quickly after that. But we're going to have, or at least feel the impacts from this for probably another 24 to maybe 36 hours, at least 24, as it slowly pulls in the northern Gulf. You see it's such a wide storm, and it's still having an impact across most of Florida. And there's a hurricane headed toward Bermuda. There is Bermuda. This one will move in overnight, and they're already starting to see some of the high clouds come in. Winds at 100 miles an hour. This may actually make a landfall in Bermuda, which is pretty impressive considering it's just a speck in the Atlantic Ocean, forming into a Category 3 major hurricane after that, and then tracking into the hurricane graveyard of the North Atlantic later in the week. What a track here. Be interesting to see what happens in Bermuda, although it's a pretty well-built island. A lot of the homes are built out of coral, the island coral, and have withstood hurricanes in the past, strong hurricanes. All right, so there is that storm there, Paulette. We also have another one to the south. This is Tropical Depression 20. This is forecast to become a major hurricane eventually, Category 3, but move to the north, so it should stay well off the U.S. East Coast. Is there more? Yeah, there's more. This is Renee. Just a speck in the Atlantic Ocean, and probably won't last more than another day or two. It's a depression at this point, winds at 30, and it will eventually fizzle out after that. Are we done yet? No. There are a couple of tropical disturbances, one in the western Gulf of Mexico that should hug the Mexican coastline the next couple of days. Not expect to have an impact here. And there's another wave that has a 70% chance of developing. That is tracking north, though, and then another one coming off the coast of Africa that we'll keep an eye on. We'll monitor through the week, but only a 30% chance. So where do we stand now? Well, we obviously have Sally. Teddy is our next named storm. We only have 3 left, and then we go to the Greek alphabet after that. Pretty incredible. We've only done that once back in '05. That's the year we had Wilma. We do have some rain squalls working in. Right now, the heaviest rain is around Belgrade. You can see more and a few rumbles of thunder. There has been a lightning strike or two with that too. So umbrella needed if you're heading out on this Sunday evening, and hold on to it because there's still some gusty winds out there too. Small craft caution for boaters on the Treasure Coast. Seas 2 to 3 in Palm Beach County, but still 4 to 6 on the Treasure Coast. Your first alert forecast overnight, 77. Again, some rain, possible rain squalls. May hear a rumble of thunder overnight too. We had some last night. 89 tomorrow, still be unsettled. Limited amounts of sunshine, hazy sunshine at best. But then it really starts to shape up nicely Tuesday through about Saturday. More sunshine, less in the way of rainfall. It's still hot and humid, but it is September after all.